Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Kia Optima computer. First, locate your vehicle's battery, typically under the hood. Using a wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative battery cable. This is usually marked with a minus sign. Allow the vehicle to sit for at least 15 minutes with the cable disconnected. This ensures all residual power drains from the system, preparing it for a fresh start. For a more targeted reset, you can use the fuse box method. Consult your owner's manual to find the exact location of your main fuse box, which is often under the hood or inside the cabin. Once located, identify the fuse specifically labeled for the engine control unit, or ECU. Carefully pull this fuse out for about 10 to 15 seconds, then firmly push it back into place. This action directly interrupts power to the computer. An OBD-ROMAN2 scanner offers another effective way to reset your Kia Optima's computer, especially for clearing diagnostic trouble codes. Plug the scanner into your vehicle's OBD-ROMAN2 port, usually found under the dashboard on the driver's side. Power on the scanner and navigate through its menu options until you find Clear Codes or Erase Codes. Select this option and confirm your choice. This action clears all stored fault codes, effectively resetting the computer's error memory. After performing any computer reset, it's crucial to allow your Kia Optima's computer to relearn its operating parameters. Start the engine and let it idle for approximately 10 minutes without touching the accelerator. Following this, drive the vehicle normally for about 20 to 30 minutes, including some highway and city driving. This process helps the computer recalibrate various sensors and systems, ensuring optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.